Welcome to the age of digital evolution where YouTube has emerged as a pivotal platform. As we step into 2024, YouTube's significance continues to surge. It's no longer just a site for watching funny videos or listening to music. It has evolved into a broad canvas for content creators, businesses, and influencers alike, offering a space to share, educate, entertain, and inspire. It's a versatile platform that serves multiple purposes, from a marketing tool for businesses, a personal branding mechanism for influencers, to a creative outlet for individuals. Its meteoric rise in the digital world is a testament to our changing consumption habits, our increased appetite for video content, and our desire for personal, authentic connections. This is the era of YouTube, a time when anyone with a story to tell, a lesson to teach, or a product to sell can find their audience. Indeed, YouTube has transformed the digital landscape, offering boundless opportunities for everyone. Before diving into the YouTube waters, it's crucial to find your niche. Think of it as your corner in the vast universe of YouTube. Your niche should be something you're passionate about, something you could talk about all day, every day. It should also be a topic where you have some level of expertise or unique insight to share. Let's consider some examples. If you're a fitness enthusiast, your niche could be home workouts, fitness product reviews, or healthy meal prep. If you love technology, you could focus on gadget reviews, tech news updates, or coding tutorials. The list is endless. Emerging niches are also worth exploring. With the rise of sustainability, for instance, green living and eco-friendly DIYs are becoming increasingly popular. Whatever niche you choose, ensure it's something you enjoy and that it resonates with a specific audience. Remember, your niche is the foundation of your YouTube journey, so choose wisely. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create your YouTube channel. This might seem daunting, but fear not. It's a straightforward process and we'll guide you through it step by step. First up, you need a Google account. If you already have one, great. If not, it's quick and easy to create. Just remember to choose a username that's unique and memorable, as this will be your channel's name. Next, log into YouTube and click on the user icon at the top right. From the drop-down menu, select Create a Channel. YouTube will then guide you through the setup process. Now let's talk about your channel name. This is crucial as it's one of the first things viewers will see. It should reflect your content and be easily searchable. Think about your niche and what words or phrases people might use when searching for that type of content. Your channel name should ideally incorporate some of these keywords. Then we move on to your logo and channel art. These are the visual elements that represent your brand on YouTube. Your logo should be simple and recognizable, and your channel art should be engaging and reflect the type of content you'll be posting. There are plenty of free tools available online to help you create these, even if you're not a graphic designer. Next, fill out your channel description. This is your chance to tell viewers what your channel is about and why they should subscribe. It's also a great place to include any relevant keywords to help YouTube understand your content and make it more discoverable. Finally, don't forget to link your social media accounts. This will help you engage with your audience across multiple platforms and grow your online presence. And voila! Your YouTube channel is all set to roll. Remember, creating a successful YouTube channel is a journey, not a destination. It's about constant learning, experimenting, and refining your strategies. So take that first step and start creating. A successful YouTube channel requires strategic and consistent content planning. Now you might be wondering, what does that even mean? Well, it's all about creating a content calendar. This calendar is essentially your roadmap. It guides you on what content to produce, when to produce it, and when to post it. But how do you fill this calendar? That's where brainstorming comes in. Spend some time thinking about your audience's interests, trending topics in your niche, and your own passions. Jot down ideas as they come, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Remember, creativity is key in the world of YouTube. Once you have a bunch of ideas, start scheduling them into your content calendar. Consider factors like holidays, special events, or popular culture phenomena when deciding on the timing. And there you have it. With a solid content strategy, you're already a step ahead in your YouTube journey. Now let's unravel the magic of SEO for YouTube. This, my friends, is the secret sauce that can make your videos more visible and searchable. So, how do we do it? First off, keyword research. This is the process of finding and analyzing search terms that people enter into YouTube. By understanding these search terms, you can create content that aligns with what your audience is looking for. A handy tip? Use tools like Google Trends or YouTube's own search bar for suggestions. Next up, tags. These are descriptive keywords that give YouTube more context about your video. They help the platform understand what your content is about and show it in relevant search results. So always remember, tag your videos with relevant keywords, but don't overdo it. Then we have video descriptions. This is your chance to tell YouTube and your viewers what your video is all about. It's a good practice to include your primary keywords in the first 2 or 3 sentences, as YouTube tends to weigh this part of the description more heavily. Lastly, don't forget about the importance of closed captions or subtitles. They not only make your videos accessible to a wider audience, but they also provide additional text that YouTube can index, improving your searchability. SEO might feel like a daunting task at first, but believe me, it's worth every bit of effort. Mastering SEO is like unlocking a secret door to YouTube success. Engagement is the key to building a loyal YouTube community. In the vast digital ocean that is YouTube, your ability to connect and interact with your viewers can set your channel apart. It's not just about broadcasting content, but about cultivating a dialogue and building relationships. Responding to comments, hosting live streams, and using community posts are all effective ways to foster this connection. But don't just stop at your own channel. Networking with other YouTubers and influencers can exponentially expand your reach. Collaboration is a powerful tool in the YouTube world. By partnering with creators who share your audience, you can tap into their community and introduce your content to a whole new set of viewers. Start by identifying channels that complement yours. Reach out with a personalized message, expressing your admiration for their work and suggesting potential collaboration ideas. Remember, authenticity is key. Show genuine interest in their content, not just what their audience can do for you. Joining online communities, attending industry events, or participating in creator forums can also provide valuable networking opportunities. These platforms offer a space for you to connect with other creators, exchange ideas, and potentially establish fruitful partnerships. But remember, building a community takes time. It's a slow and steady process, requiring patience, persistence, and a genuine passion for your content and your audience. So keep engaging, keep networking, and most importantly, keep creating. Remember, YouTube is not just a platform, it's a community. As you progress, it's crucial to analyze your performance and explore monetization strategies. Your journey on YouTube is not just about creating and uploading content. It's about understanding how your videos are performing and how you can generate revenue from your efforts. YouTube Analytics is a treasure trove of data that provides insights into your channel's performance, from views and watch time to audience demographics and engagement metrics. It's important to regularly review this data to understand your audience better, improve your content, and boost your channel's growth. Are your videos reaching your target audience? Which videos have the highest engagement rate? What time do your viewers typically watch your content? All these questions and more can be answered by diving deep into your YouTube analytics. Now, let's talk about monetization. As a content creator, you want to be rewarded for your hard work. Luckily, YouTube offers several ways to monetize your channel. The most common method is through AdSense, where ads are displayed on your videos and you earn revenue based on views and clicks. However, it's worth noting that to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning ad revenue, your channel needs to meet certain criteria, including having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. Another monetization strategy is through sponsorships and brand partnerships. If your channel aligns with a brand's target audience, they may be willing to pay you to promote their products or services in your videos. Remember, transparency is key when it comes to sponsored content. Always disclose any partnerships to maintain trust with your audience. Lastly, selling merchandise is another popular way to monetize your channel. If you've built a loyal following, your viewers may be interested in purchasing branded products like t-shirts, mugs, or even digital products like ebooks or courses. By analyzing your performance and effectively monetizing your content, you'll be on the fast track to YouTube success.